boyfriend just got a new mountain Jeep. We're gonna sell it. We make money that way too. We flip cars. But before we do, we ride around a bit. So I'm about to wait for him with my dog to say hello and to congratulate him. I think I can hear it. I'm about to go in. I'm about to go in. Ne vedi Sony? I see.
Ne mereš zapjegati 4 puta 4 ovaj.
Wow, ja ti trebamo. Top. I like it. Može. So, I started painting a couple of weeks ago. I'm not sure if you can call this painting, but these are water color paints for kids. I'm using them for my own. Anyway, I'm no professional, but I had a class with a few kids the other day. I teach English online, and one of them just happened to show me his paintings. And he was like, this is the one that I did when I was 4. This is the one that I did when I was 6. This is the one that I'm doing now at 8. And I was really taken aback by the fact how much he has improved. And let's not underestimate kids. Let's not say he's just a kid. Doesn't matter. Talent knows no age. He showed me his paintings and I was truly taken aback. And then I asked him, just out of curiosity, like, would you mind me painting with you in class sometimes? Because I'm trying to get the most out of them, the kids. And he said, yeah, sure. He was so thrilled when I asked that question. And then I literally went and bought myself a painting set. And I remember I was like, okay, I have this class next Wednesday. I have time. I could start using it before we started classes. And I asked my little sister, who's now 9, to paint with me. And she was like, yeah, sure. So we started painting together. And I wasn't expecting much of it. But the thing is, at the moment I took this brush and dipped it into the paint and started, I felt a devil leave my body through my arm. And that was pretty freaking shocking to me, if you ask me. Something went through my arm to my hand and left through the paintbrush. And I don't want to go back to history right now and tell you about how I got depressed, derealized, depersonalized. I don't even want to talk about that now. But all of that started pouring out of me that day. So my first reaction was, whoa, what? Then I kept painting and I did my first little painting. It's at my sister's house. I wish I could show it to you right now. And I was like, there's something about this. So I left that set at my sister's house and went to the store and bought another set to bring it to this house because it's a bit complicated right now. My dad lives in one house, my mom lives in another with my sister. Two of my other sisters live with my dad. My fourth sister lives in Switzerland with her husband. I live here with my boyfriend. We're scattered all over the place, and we have a hotel in the mountains, and I bought a set for that hotel too. So I have a painting set in each house. And that's how important it got to me to paint on a daily basis, at least every other day. And here I am today. I wasn't even planning on a YouTube video. I know I need to post it on Sunday, which is tomorrow, which is probably today if you're watching it today. But painting released a lot of negative pent-up emotions within me. And also not only released, but made my creativity resurface. And not only painting creativity, but YouTube creativity. Because I've been forcing myself to create YouTube videos the way I do, instead of just documenting my life and enjoying it. So creating should feel good, but it doesn't feel good to me because I'm tired. I've been working super hard on my own business for the past 10 years. I'm burnt out completely. So creating is not something I want to do right now. I want to document and enjoy it. Like, not enjoy documenting. I want to enjoy life and document the fact that I'm enjoying it without feeling like I'm documenting it. You know what I'm saying? And this is it right now. This video is not something I have planned in advance. It feels good. Wow. Goosebumps. I didn't even know this was my thing until I tried it the other day. So try things. This is what you should learn and get from this video. Try things, even though you think that they have nothing to do with you or that they're not your cup of tea. Who knows? Who knows? And then, right after I started painting, I recalled, oh, this is what I enjoyed doing as a kid. And this is where my elementary school teacher just crushed my dreams by telling me, oh, your paintings are not bad for a 12-year-old or 11-year-old or 10-year-old, but your theory sucks, so F, please, sit down. You're getting an F. You call it F, we call it 1 here in Europe. So she would gift me with really bad grades because I didn't like studying theory. I never cared about it. My paintings were so good, I remember. And my drawings, I did pencil drawings, I remember. I did all that shadowing thing as a kid, and my brain suppressed that memory super far away here. So I could never reach it. And a few days after I started painting, I recalled how good I was at drawing. And I called my mother. I was like, where are my drawings at? And she was like, oh, wow, you recalled. I was like, yeah, I recalled, damn. So if you're a teacher watching this, please make sure you don't do that to your kids. Like, she definitely crushed my self-confidence, and I stopped drawing after that and even forgot that I ever drew. So, and now the same thing that I enjoyed as a kid is releasing my pent-up emotions, is dealing with my anxiety. This is amazing. I wasn't even supposed to do this video, and here we are. Imagine this one gets millions of views and helps millions of people. And I did it just like that, without even thinking of it. Nice. What I've learned right after I moved to the countryside was that healing doesn't happen overnight. And it doesn't also happen after a few attempts of doing something different for yourself. It happens over a long period of time of repeating those attempts of doing something different for yourself. And for me, that was a year, I'd say. And you gotta be patient, because if I had known that it would take a year for me to heal from anxiety, I would have probably given up right away. But no, I had no idea it would take that long, so I just prayed every single day. And prayer is, something you don't dodge. If you want to get better, it's not only about our physical health that we have to take care of, it's about our psychological, spiritual, and mental also. So patience, we call it sabur, and knowledge, and time, and the right choices all combined together create a new you. Free you, different you, and the old one, the anxious one, gets erased, I promise you. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah!